بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. مع حضراتكم هير محمد سمير. ده تكملة الليسن، وكان موجود معانا ملخص كده للجرامر اللي موجود في الدرس. عندنا some verbs زي verb sein, wohnen, kommen, heißen, and how to conjugate these verbs with ich and du, er and sie. To make it with ich verb sein, it's gonna be ich bin, which means I am. You are, it's gonna be du bist. He or she is, er and sie ist. We have a rule in German also that we have the end of any verb. Now it ends with n. If you gotta make the verb with ich and du and er and sie personal pronouns, first we erase an from the verb. Okay? Then we gonna put with ich an end, do an end, er and sie also an end. Like ich, the end of it is a, so ich wohne, and du stay, gonna be wohnest, er and sie wohnt. Also with kommen, ich komme, du kommst, er and sie kommt. If I'd like to say he comes from Germany, I will say kommt aus Deutschland, and so on. What about verb heißen? This verb is regular with do, because we put in the simple conjugation with do st, but this verb ends with sz, which has the same voice of letter s or sz. So instead of putting st at the end of the verb, I put t only. So with ich is gonna be a, with do only t, er and sie is t. In a simple sentence in German, the verb knows his position, which is number 2. Let me give you some examples. Like ich heiße Steffi. Here is the verb is heiße, which is number 2 in the sentence. Ali kommt aus der Türkei. John wohnt in Großbritannien. Ich bin 13. Heiße, kommt, wohnt, bin, all of them are verbs, and their place is number 2. What about when you make a question with V or vo or V alt? Also the verb is number 2. The question word is V or V alt or vo. After them we have heißt, best, wohnest. Also the verb is number 2. Only one condition now is the verb is number 1, and this condition is yes and no question. Ja, nein, Frage. Yes, no question. Let me give you some examples. Like in front of you, we have here heißt du Anna, bist du Daniel, wohnst du in Barcelona. Every question of these questions we are going to answer with ja or nein, yes or no. So the verb is number 1. Das Verb steht auf Position 1. And here in this point, if I asked you with wo, the answer is gonna be n. Wo wohnst du? Ich wohne in. And with Schweiz and Türkei, I put der. Wo wohnt Alexander? Wohnt in der Schweiz. Wo wohnt Steffi? Sie wohnt in Erlangen. And with the question woher, the answer is gonna be aus. Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus Italien. Ich komme aus Nürnberg. Ich komme aus der Türkei. And the last question word is wer, which means who. Wer bist du? Who are you? Ich bin Fatma. Wer kommt aus Griechenland? Who comes from Greece? Helena kommt aus Griechenland. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you get a lot of information, and لو في أي حد محتاج extra information يبعت لي أو اللي يبعت لي هير أحمد. احنا متواجدين مع حضراتكم، وإن شاء الله مستعدين نرد على استفساراتكم. شكرا لحضراتكم.